Welcome to SureShade University, where in today's episode what we're going to be talking about are the differences between our current and previous control boxes. What we have sitting out in front of us is our original legacy control box. Should be all pre-2019 shades. Coming into 2019, there's a possibility that you could have legacy or shore power. So you need to be careful and know which system you're working on. But what we've got here is we've got legacy, shore power, RF with a remote control, shore power, Bluetooth control, which does not come, of course, with a remote. The easiest way to tell the difference is the size of the controllers, but also when you open up the legacy controller, you have your 8 dip switches. All 3 of your terminals are together, and your 2 other controllers most of the time are going to be sealed, either RF with an orange sticker or Bluetooth with a blue sticker. That covers that part of it. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. You can always visit us at sureshade.com/service. Thank you.